Hi, my name's Liz Perlove. I go by from the pen of because when I first started to complain to the NHS in June 2015, they told me to put everything in writing. By February 2021, they had banned me from the complaints process totally, so it's my sarcastic response to the NHS. This is a concerning case of a judge claiming he'd heard an application but didn't. There's no mention of a calcaneum dislocation in any of my hospital records from October 2011 until December 2016. The only record of it taking place is from the medical expert Paul Cooke, who is paid by the NHS to lie, and Judge Roberts accepted these lies hook, line and sinker. He ignored that the calcaneum joint is missing from a letter to my GP and hospital records on the date Paul Cooke claims it was diagnosed, which was the 24th of October 2011. As you can see from this, the calcaneum bone and the talnavicular bone are on opposite sides of the foot. Then there's a consent form that doesn't have the calcaneum joint dislocation whatsoever. Judge Roberts ignored this. Here's a consent form in full with no evidence of a calcaneum joint dislocation to be treated. Then there's a letter dated the 14th of November that's missing the calcaneum joint dislocation. And again on the 5th of December 2011, missing the calcaneum joint dislocation. There's a letter on the 6th of March 2016. Thousands of days after Paul Cooke claims that the calcaneum joint dislocation was diagnosed, we finally get it diagnosed on the 21st of December 2016. And the treatment Paul Cooke claims happened on the 26th of October 2011 finally happened on the 7th of February 2018. That's a mere 2,165 days delay. Judge Roberts also managed to miss in inverted commas that the witnesses for the defense actually contradicted Paul Cooke's own statement, but that didn't stop him selling justice to the highest bidder. He also ignored correspondence between the NHS litigation department and myself dated 2016, 2018 and 2019 that just spoke about the 4-day delay to the talnavicular joint. The calcaneum joint just isn't mentioned. So I think it's a shocking abuse of power for Judge Roberts to claim that I had no prospect of success because he ignored all the evidence, and then he awarded or rewarded the lies and denies of DAC Beachcroft and NHS resolution to the tune of £70,000. If you believe if doctors are not honest, there should be consequences. If you believe that judges should be accountable for their decisions. If you believe judges should not be allowed to sell justice to the highest bidder. If you believe justice should actually be based on fairness, please support my protest. I'm crowdfunding for accommodation, so I can protest for as many days or as many months as it's going to take. I have a crowdfunding site at GoFundMe. Please support me. Thank you.